Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to x plus 4. Because we have x, so I will put number 4 go to the left, and we have u minus 4 equals to x. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of u, we have number 1. This is about the constants, so you got about 0. So we have du. First derivative of x, you got about number 1, so I will put about dx. This one we change by u. x we change by u minus 4. dx we change by du. This one multiplied by u and positive or negative number 4. So we have 4 over 3. Now we have the formula in here. The integration of u to the power of n du. We have u to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and I will put about c. Now we can apply the formula in here. This one we have 7 over 3. This one we have 4 over 3. About u, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.